Hey crypto fam! Ever bought Bitcoin on Gemini and then wanted to move it to your own wallet? Great question, because navigating crypto exchange fees can feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. Fear not, knowledge seekers, because today we're diving deep into one specific question: how much does Gemini charge to withdraw Bitcoin, BTC? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. Why would you even want to withdraw your Bitcoin from Gemini in the first place? Well, reasons abound. Maybe you want more control over your crypto and store it in your own wallet. Perhaps you plan to use it on a platform that doesn't integrate with Gemini. Or maybe you're just a crypto purist who believes the keys to your castle, digital or otherwise, should always be in your own hands. Whatever your reason, understanding Gemini's withdrawal fees is crucial. Because let's face it, who wants to get hit with unexpected charges after they've already hit that sweet withdraw button? So, how much does it cost to liberate your Bitcoin from Gemini's clutches? Buckle up, because the answer isn't a simple one-size-fits-all. Gemini employs a system known as a dynamic withdrawal fee for Bitcoin. Now, that might sound fancy, but it basically means the fee fluctuates depending on current network conditions. Here's the gist: the Bitcoin network itself charges a transaction fee, and Gemini simply passes that cost on to you. They don't add any sneaky markups. You're essentially paying the toll booth to get on the Bitcoin highway. The problem? That network fee can be a real moving target. It depends on factors like how busy the Bitcoin network is and how fast you want your transaction confirmed. During peak hours, when everyone's scrambling to move their Bitcoin around, expect to pay a higher fee. Conversely, during quieter times, the fee might be lower. So, how do you know how much you'll be charged before you hit that withdrawal button? The good news is Gemini actually shows you the estimated network fee before you confirm your transaction. This transparency is a big plus, allowing you to make an informed decision about whether it's the right time to move your Bitcoin. Now, while the exact fee can vary, there is a baseline you can expect. As of today's recording, insert recording date, Gemini charges a minimum withdrawal fee of 0.0001 BTC for Bitcoin. That's a tiny fraction of a Bitcoin, but hey, every Satoshi counts, right? Beyond the basics, a word on gas fees. While the dynamic fee structure is the main thing to consider for Bitcoin withdrawals, there's another potential cost to be aware of, especially if you're new to the crypto world: gas fees. Here's the thing: Bitcoin and gas fees are not the same beast. Gas fees are a separate concept specific to the Ethereum network, not Bitcoin. So, why mention them here? Well, if you're ever transferring Bitcoin to an exchange wallet built on the Ethereum network, like some ERC20 token wallets, you might encounter gas fees on top of the Bitcoin network fee. Just remember, gas fees are a whole other YouTube video waiting to happen. But for the purposes of withdrawing Bitcoin from Gemini, you shouldn't have to worry about them. Free withdrawals? Hold your horses. Alright, so we've covered dynamic fees and the minimum withdrawal amount. But is there any way to snag a free Bitcoin withdrawal from Gemini? Unfortunately, as of right now, Gemini doesn't offer a blanket system for free withdrawals. However, there is a small caveat. Gemini offers 10 free withdrawals of any cryptocurrency per calendar month. That's a nice little perk, especially if you're a casual crypto dabbler who only makes occasional withdrawals. But if you're a high-volume crypto trader constantly on the move, those free withdrawals might get used up pretty quickly. The final tally, weighing the costs. So, to wrap it up, how much does it really cost to withdraw Bitcoin from Gemini? It depends. Between the dynamic network fee and the minimum withdrawal amount, you're looking at a minimum cost of 0.0001 BTC. But the actual fee could be higher depending on network congestion. The good news is Gemini shows you the estimated fee up front. The not so good news is there's no way to completely avoid the fee unless you fall under the 10 free monthly withdrawals limit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hodling.